This is the Stronghold. This is the Stronghold Digital Mining Daily Update. Today is Tuesday, June 6, 2023. So I'm experiencing some technical issues. That's why the little, hand-drawn logo that I sometimes put up back there is not on. And it's also the reason why I was unable to extract 24-hour data insofar as what's been going on in terms of grid pricing as well as Bitcoin price in dollars per megawatt hour. It's been a long 24 hours here, but hopefully these issues will get resolved sooner rather than later. Now, the stock was kind of all over the place. At one point, it really took a bit of a nosedive, kind of rallied back up with the rest of the Bitcoin mining stock ecosystem, and then right at the very end of the day, took a little bit of a nosedive again. The price of Bitcoin itself, I noticed, was down to 25,000 and change, and I think a lot of that's probably driven by the U.S.-based Securities and Exchange Commission, some of their legal actions over the past couple of days against Binance, and then, of course, today, Coinbase. So to some degree, I think, Bitcoin mining stocks traded in sympathy with this idea that, hey, these exchanges are perhaps coming under greater regulatory scrutiny. Maybe that's a problem. From my perspective, I don't know that it's necessarily a problem per se. To the extent that the SEC is talking about unregistered securities and trying to go after that, those sorts of tokens, maybe actually in the long run that might benefit Bitcoin, right? Because we have already been deemed to be digital property, right? So there is quite a big distinction then. Hey, if it cleans up the marketplace and more capital flows in towards Bitcoin, I think longer term that helps us. I'm going to take a really quick peek, and this will just take me a moment to load up. Hopefully the dashboard will continue to perform relatively accurately just because of some of the system issues I've been dealing with. But yeah, it looks like Bitcoin, as of relatively recently, was around $20,000 a coin. I'm sorry, $27,000 a coin. And at spot check here, Bitcoin price in dollars per megawatt hour is about $70. So again, that's not a 24-hour, average. It's just kind of what's going on right now. And grid prices, of course, are sub $25 or so a megawatt. So, it is what it is. Okay, let's stay positive. Let's be great. Let's get some of these tech issues cleaned up, and we'll see each other again, hopefully tomorrow.